Make money from watching and publishing videos without having to meet strict conditions. Right now I will put together a video to guide you to do just that. The very good earning platform I want to tell you is EarneoTube. This is a platform to make money from watching and publishing videos, paid in RNO token, which is the token of the platform. The RNO token uses the Binance Smart Chain network, which is now listed and traded on CoinMarketCap and PancakeSwap. You can access CoinMarketCap to consult its price and necessary information. Before making money, let's learn a bit how to trade RNO tokens on PancakeSwap exchange. If you already know how to trade, you can skip this step. If you still don't know, you should watch carefully, because this is an important step for you to convert RNO tokens into other coins. The first thing you need to do is add the RNO token to the crypto wallet. Here I will add the RNO token to the Trust wallet. Other storage wallets you do the same. On the search bar enter RNO and it pops up. If it does not appear, enter any name and proceed to add the token. Select the Binance Smart Chain network, enter the contract address, it will automatically display the remaining information, then save. The contract address I will put in the description, or you can also get it on CoinMarketCap. Now I will trade convert RNO to other coins. You can access PancakeSwap on your phone's browser or wallet browser, then connect PancakeSwap to the wallet and select the Binance Smart Chain network. A balance of BNB in the wallet will be required for gas fees for the transaction. After you have understood how to trade RNO tokens on PancakeSwap, you proceed to register for an EarnTube account to start making money. There are 2 registration options for you. Link with Twitter account and register by email. You should register by email. Enter the required information to register. The homepage of the platform has many viewing options such as your subscriptions, recommended videos, trending videos, popular channels and newly published videos. You can choose any video to watch. Or you can also watch according to your preferences in the category section. Many genres will meet your interest needs. Trending videos are ranked by daily, weekly and monthly. Newly published videos are also listed quickly for your video viewing needs. Browse channels to find the right channel for you, or watch from your subscribed channel. After watching the video, the money will be added to your account. To make money quickly, you should choose to watch videos with a length of 3 minutes to 10 minutes. Create a playlist and turn on autoplay. There are 50 level systems that allow you to earn more by leveling up. Level up XP points you earn from watching, liking and commenting on videos. To earn more money, generate passive income, you should create your channel and upload videos. Earn money from your video views, likes, comments. Your channel must agree on a topic, clear channel description and have at least 5 videos that will be approved for quick monetization. The minimum withdrawal is 200 RNO. When you reach the minimum withdrawal, the withdrawal button will appear. You just need to add the receiving address and connect to the wallet with the receiving address to proceed with the withdrawal. Payment is fast. After a few hours. If you need help, leave a comment and subscribe to the channel to get the best video making money online. Thank you and wish you success.